morning, guys. Mother, good morning. Good morning, fellas. We're at Costco. We're gonna get some stuff. You watch it, but the turutin. We have Janet on the side. She does not even know that it's us over here. Look at her. 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 She's like laughing, but she's like, oh, this car looks familiar.
I was calling Arifu earlier.
Who?
Me.
What?
To ask if you guys needed anything.
No.
Mama. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
No, there's so.
Okay, come, say happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama.
It is so dark.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Right now we're barbecuing. Me and my brothers. Today's a special day. It's my grandma's birthday. So happy birthday, Mama. We love you. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Everyone's gonna come later, but right now we're barbecuing. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys in a little bit. Come with me. Is it good? No, over here.
Bro, it's so big, it's like...
Hope you guys are having a great day. I mean,
Oh, pause
it's still, what, 10 in the morning. Good morning to everybody. Get your food. Enjoy this video. Happy birthday to you, Mama.
it. Can they even hear you?
Yeah.
No, it's sorry.
I'm gonna rate their chicken. It's good, but it's not really good.
He's just saying that it's good. You guys call me if you guys need someone to barbecue.
I'm kidding. I'm really grateful for this, guys, because they're really getting better in marinating chicken and cooking. So now, it used to be my job. Now, it's their job. So thank you, Martha, Mars, and Elston. Because Elston, look at, I'm going to show you Elston. Look, see? Elston is washing the coolers. He's a big boy now. So they've been helping me out quite a lot. So thank you, boys.
Austin, hurry up.
Hurry up, Elston.
Austin.
Is it tracking you?
Mas, quick fit. They're getting burnt, but Austin's not done.
I need a car.
Go get paper towel then.
It's only good when it's hot too.
Ow!
Oh. Is that really showing this? Let me try this for myself. Let me try this and let you guys know it's good.
Come a little bit closer because it's gonna.
Let me try this for myself.
Nah, that's busting. Flip. When you're done, you come in.
This is ours. Oh, it's still following me. Sorry, guys. Come here with me, guys. Come with me. Come with me. After,
This the corner.
Yeah, it's not coming off. It's not coming off.
You sure? Can I have a small piece again? Which one is ready?
Parker?
I can have this? Oh, it's good. Looks good, yep.
Come.
That's right.
It's good.
Is it done? Let me see. Oh, that's dirt.
Man, what better way to have a breakfast with barbecue? That's just the right way to do it.
Also, did you get a bite?
Mouse, when you're done.
They were following you the whole time. Right, M3E? You guys been following him the whole time?
Elston, just rinse it.
So don't do it.
So today we're gonna be doing a lot of cooking. Lots of cooking. We're starting off with the barbecue. Yep, mommy's upstairs.
Doing my favorite potato salad.
She's doing a potato salad. And then I'll be doing my seafood. Oh yeah. Okay, now we're upstairs with the food committee. Jenny, are you in charge of this group right here? No?
No.
Or is it that one right there?
Yep.
Okay.
Ari ko is pati. Helper. That's you.
Everything's ready.
No
Everything's ready. What, Elston? What do you guys think about this guy? I think he needs a real, like, he needs a haircut. A real
What?
haircut. You need a haircut.
Just kidding. I need one.
Okay, okay.
Got the new
I got the new setup.
See, done. Done. On to my third chicken.
Let's see.
How's the chicken? Good?
Yeah. Shout out to Mars. He marinated the chicken last night. I helped him, but you know. Okay. Shout out to Mars.
Mars actually marinate.
Bro, do I have?
You learn from me.
I have to. Do I have something?
You learn from
Marination is good.
me. I'm next. I'm next up. Guys.
Huh? What?
I'll be next. I'm gonna make a new recipe. I'll say too.
But it's good. Now you know. Now you know how to cut the chicken, right? Next up in line will be Elston. He's gonna be taking over Mars's job, doing the marination and cutting the chicken.
Hurry up, Elston.
That's right.
Because Elston doesn't really, I mean, he's still learning how to do the heavy work, so now this is his job. They ask him to go get stuff for them. Elston, come here. Huh? Come, I want to ask you a few questions, please. Okay. Come here, like over here. Okay. M3 Gru wants to, you know, listen to what you have to say. Huh? What? You have anything?
Huh?
You have anything besides you being shy? Huh? Oh, what do you guys think? This guy needs a haircut too. Huh? Okay. Right? Don't you think you need a haircut? Well, look at me, boy.
I'm so glad you guys get to do this for me.
Yep.
Right? Because we're one team. Yeah.
We're a team.
Okay.
M3E.
M3E all the way. Oh, it's burned. Okay. Oh, let's do it for the barbecue. What's that? Oh, yeah, wash it, wash it. Crush it! It's full. You gotta crush it a little bit more.
What? Like step one?
Huh?
Like step one?
Close it, close the cover.
Let's subscribe, guys. This is mine? This is mine?
Don't let it burn, husband. Stop scratching.
Ouch!
Okay.
The fire? Go give me a.
You burn yourself? Be careful, be careful. Be careful, chef. You okay? Huh? Hmm?
M3E gets burnt.
Are you shooting on that one too?
No, I'm just watching.
Usted puede repartir. Else then you're not gonna help him. Get up. Well guys, the chicken is coming along pretty good. We got some, let's see, burnt chicken in here. Is it? Is it not? Alright. Well, I guess it's not. He said no. Pretty soon I'm gonna do the seafood. My crap.
How do you turn this off?
Flip it.
Go here.
The spam? The spam in the
Shout out to all these people watching the
Oh, it's
live.
in the. It's by the freezer in the back.
Oh, in the garage?
She said spam, right?
Yeah.
Alright, go get it for her. Go get it for her.
No, duh.
Say their names so you can shout out their names on our video. Look at me. Right here. Show it over
Oh.
here.
Shout out to
Come here.
I'm gonna guess all these people.
What's your name?
DRP.
Okay.
Shout out to Jay Reed. And who's this?
Here, you can look at the camera and here, show it like this. No, on the other side.
Huh?
No, this way, like
Oh,
this.
flip?
No, the other way.
DRP. Kes.
Guess up, guess up.
Oh, that's ketchup, right?
Gilbert, Gilbert. Kesa, kemi bachakun. Apa sa?
What?
Kemi bachakun.
Gabby Pacheco.
Kesa, kemi bachakun.
J Ream.
Okay.
Art Kids.
Who?
Jovna. I don't know these.
Okay. Oh, okay. Alright. Good. Me? I don't know. I was 20 something? 30 something?
20 something?
Yeah, why? That was like back in Hilo.
I know.
Okay.
What?
To the store.
Huh?
To the store.
What you
The
do?
answer.
What offer?
We got ice, trash bag.
And? What made?
That's it.
That's it?
Mhm.
Why?
Is that
Did
a
you-
different lens?
Did you put on your seatbelt?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Alright. See you in a little bit. I'm hungry too. Why don't you guys get some more rice so we can eat? I'm hungry. We still have a long way there, guys. We still have 2 more coolers to barbecue. And then once these guys are done, I'm gonna start my seafood boil. Nothing fancy, it's just the snow crab and then some shrimp. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We're tired of that seafood boil mix with corn and potato and all that stuff. Yeah.
Not me, that's busting.
It's time to make it simple. Just simple. This crab are already cooked. We're just gonna blanch them and they're ready to go.
See, I told you guys we're almost done.
Nothing fancy, it's just simple old seafood style. We don't want to do the seafood where we put corn and all that, potato and all that stuff. No, we don't want to be doing that on this one. This one is just plain and simple. Why? Because we have lots of food, barbecue and all that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop that butter in there. Bit of salt. Salt. We don't want to put too much salt because we're gonna have that seasoning. What's going on, man? All right. Put some more. Oh yeah. Bam, bam, bam. Bam. What was that? What was that? Good. Good. See? Plain and simple. That's it. Shrimp and crab. That's all you need. That's all you need. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, not even ask. You tell this guy. What's the cooler?
Spice right there.
Half an hour.
Huh?
Half an hour. I like it.
Yeah, pretty.
Hey. How are you? You guys just...
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I want almost like that. But don't forget, you need to get that. Is that the one you bought? Winter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mars, do you have the... Where's the gloves at?
Bem aula de bonito foi lá. Olha isso aqui.
Yep.
Aqui. Tá na torre.
Oh,
So where's the key?
acho que foi. Simple. And that's it. Wow, what a crowded house. What's up?
She did celebrate every birthday. He's so really good to touch me. Okay, thank you for all you kids for being so good today. So respectful. Thank you. For doing a cafe for Kurongin. And you give me a camera and medicine. For you so many give me a
This is my only time to feature this thing. Don't be shy.
Hang up.
Hang up. Beautiful. Beautiful. Happy birthday, Mama. 76. You know that? Yeah, Lily decoration. Superior turkey. Neo Lilia, not decorate. So Lily Rob decorate the Mama Chepet. Put it up. Kaca for the my fire of camera fatigue. Oh, crowded house. Who's this?
That's what favorites miracle. Ubutigat utomuri patron film magi kulo magi re natsak net gal barabasa natsak kiliso very good in the area of God irachi kerais utomuri chona favorites irachi net gal barabasa very good from God's needs.
That's what told you for that's but this is Alright, time to go eat. Peace out. Time to go eat. Oops, time to go eat.
I know I am.
Okay, we are finally done for the day. The time has come for to eat, start eating. I want to thank all of you who brought food today. Thank you for bringing all the food and helping out Mommy to grab all the food for Mama's birthday. Thank you all. Siguro magtawa ka.
Wow! Sarap ito sa natin kanin. Ah, wait. Ito ako ba? May babaw guys.
Nothing can beat the rice. What do you have here? Method. Taro? More taro? What's that? Tapioca? Tapioca? Banana? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna showcase this fruits before all these food before they come out. What's this? Oh, that's from Mama Tenet. Mussels. Oh, sorry about the lighting. Very dark. No good lighting here. Alright, out of the way. Ifawitari?
Chicken kilo.
Chicken?
Chicken kere.
Chicken kelenguin. Kelenguin? Ooh, oi, that good the way. Good the way, fish. And then barbecue. And that's one. That's the one. See, it's simple. Not to move. Okay. Now, here comes high five. High five. There, traffic. Huh? What's that? What kind of soup is that?
I don't know what to
And then you got. Can you go on? Pork butt. Yeah.
There's no plate, only those.
All right. Let the traffic begin. Yuki. Oh. Hi. Oh, pakai warna kecor para pagis. Warna kecor para pagis. Teti. Otra over. Nercek nga usap cowor. Hey. Até ver, posso só eu checar high five maybe. Busy. Oh, what's that? Okay, wait. Okay, say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Now you can go watch. Oh. Tawakan man. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I should have found a caraway. Sissy, can you throw it in the trash? Yeah. Thank you. No, go ahead. Atu.
If I were Chris,
Yeah, atu.
thank you. Let's go, Yuki.
Beta mo nga, from nakitsit.
From my home.
She knows. Sorry, I'm showing her one.
Toro, thank you. Go get your food. Karen, you are. Tara, for petit, Tara.
Sister, when you gonna treat me because it's my birthday? Just one second. Just wait. Okay. Soon. Thank you. She was just like.
Where's yours? Hey, where's yours? Did you give the ladies upstairs?
No, she did the perfume under the cake.
No, the...
Mira.
For Mama Campbell.
Oh, I took cake. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. I like one. I like this stuff right here. Thank you. Perseri, lagi gerak cake.
Only one?
Yes.
Okay.
One is good enough. Or maybe half.
Wait, I'm gonna go up. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Miura cake. Huh? Tiwa cake. Oh, ahora every fire. Enggak. Acik me akan ngagi ke wire pressure ni fire. Tiro.
Kira Yawa. Kira mo chicken bang. Alright, I think guys we're gonna go and get the cake, cut the cake, sing happy birthday to grandma.
You can go get it.
Are we ready? Are we ready to sing happy birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where's everyone? You gotta call everyone.
Upstairs.
Not that. Upstairs. Downstairs.
But Carter's hiding upstairs.
No, everybody stays downstairs. Too many people upstairs. We're gonna collapse. Okay? So we stay downstairs. Okay? Because we're gonna cut the cake. Jermaine?
It's time to cut the cake.
We're gonna cut the cake! Why are you guys always shy? Huh? Where's everyone?
Oh my gosh.
Mito, off weekend.
Okay, the cake is gonna start. Wait.
Okay. Go downstairs.
That's the Carter's hiding upstairs
Okay.
still.
Go everyone. Come on. Jermaine, hurry up. Go.
Come down.
Yariba. Elston. You guys have to come cut the cake. Oh, Mars. Mars. Okay. Thank you guys for sticking around. We're gonna go cut the cake. Oh. Elston. Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Birthday, dear Mama. Happy
birthday to you.
One more time. Let's sing it faster. Happy birthday to you. Come on, pick it up. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. All right. Thank you, everyone.
Oh, one more thing. Since you
When is her birthday again? Okay, let's sing happy birthday to Sisi. All right. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sissy. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Hey, clap. Bye. Is it Christmas already? Okay. That's not fair. How come we don't have anything for the boys? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm on strike.
Right?
I'm on strike.
Yeah. Carter's on strike right now.
I don't see any color.
はい。あれ、バッテティオ、ボビオルカニファン。You born in Fagabi? Totaro. Neventere. Baba. En mi boca. En mi boca. Kabuga. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Safed! We're happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! And Mirog, happy birthday! We're happy birthday! Alright, Aron, kan chartof video butuh awen. After the room. Ye ka 75, ka fig meriwu.
Hey, 76.
Oh, 76. $76. Ka 76. 76 years old. Fig Moru, 76. Ever. Okay. Veda, happy birthday, Safed. Okay.
I think he's gonna work on our bathroom.
Vera, happy birthday from all the M3E team. Vera.
Tell that first.
Put
a couple more.
Yeah.
10.
Have a couple.
10.
Oh, I feel so. Questo è che mi medicina.
Hey.
Questo è che mi medicina.
Ever.
I've been waiting for hours to make it come down.
Oh, you've been waiting for me to come down to fuck you? Huh?
Yeah.
Why are you putting your shoes on?
Okay, well, here I am.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so say your name. Okay, let me go down. All right. Let me go down. Okay.
Now what?
Now what? Now what you gonna say?
Nothing. I'm just waiting.
You're waiting for what?
The camera.
Okay. Then you can say something. Huh? Say your name.
My name is McCarty.
Okay. You want to say something to all your family down in Lacey? No.
I'll miss you all.
Huh?
I'll miss you all.
Okay. You have to say. Okay. People, my family, please make sure that you subscribe. Okay.
I hope you subscribe to this channel right now.
Right. Okay. All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Wait, no, not yet. Yeah, you scared me next. You scared me first. I just said that. 2, 1,
What about?
get up. Oh, wait. Whoever falls out first loses. Wait.
Tawang bagikalay.
Do not wait. How many times I win? You won 1,000 times. No, 4,000. I mean 100,000. Yeah, 100,000.
Ipa, Benny.
Tapioca. No,
Tapioca.
only one infinity. Yeah, infinity and beyond. Guys, I'm doing this quick while I'm ready. Okay, go. Go. But Jackie, see this pin for me. Wait. But guys, if you fall and then I don't fall, it's my I win. Okay.
Oh, pues, vi, pues, agua cada río de casario y
Are you ready? No. Okay, they are ready. 3, 2, 1. No! My turn. Jermaine, it's your turn. I win. Guys, come on.
Jermaine? Ja, tu por fer. Por fermo po en. Apa butatur. Is this today gave me?
I just want to say happy birthday to Mama. Make sure to like and subscribe. And hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Thank you.